warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diyan Fakih Firmansyah. I'm a student at Malang State University, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, Department of Physics. This video making for completely my assignment from Mr. Nurul Hidayat MC. In this video, I will explain about ballistic pendulum. Ballistic pendulum is an instrument for measuring a bullet's momentum from which it is possible to calculate the velocity and kinetic energy. Ballistic pendulum have been largely rendered obsolete by modern chronographs, which allow direct measurement of the projectile velocity. It can be used to measure any transfer of momentum. For example, a ballistic pendulum was used by physicist C.V. Boyce to measure the of golf balls, and by physicist Peter Gottfried to measure the effect that spin had on the distance a golf ball travels. The part of ballistic pendulum is bullet, pendulum, fire minigun, and the pin, string. The pin function for measuring an angle of displacement the bullet with pendulum. In a perfectly inelastic collision, a bullet is fired into the stationary pendulum, which captures the bullet and absorbs its energy. The stationary pendulum now moves with new velocity just after the collision. While not all of the energy from the bullet is transformed into the kinetic energy for the pendulum, some is used as heat and deformation energy. The momentum of the system is conserved. By measuring the height of the pendulum swing, the potential energy of the pendulum when it stops can be measured. In the case of a pendulum, total mechanical energy is conserved. So, kinetic energy of the pendulum after firing is fully converted to potential energy. Thus, the pendulum's initial velocity can be calculated using the law of conservation of momentum and energy. The velocity of the bullets can be computed. Then, the first piece, the bullet with velocity 1 will hit a pendulum, stationary pendulum, and the bullet and stationary pendulum will move with the same velocity, with the velocity v accent. And this is the equals of first piece. V1 equals mass of bullet plus mass of pendulum in bracket times v accent divided by m1. And then the second piece, the bullet and pendulum with velocity v1 will move displacement. So we know the value of h equals L, the length of string, minus the length of string cos theta. And this is the equation of second piece. V accent equals square root of 2gh. After that substitution the second equation to the first equation like this. So we know the V1, the velocity of bullets, is equals mass of bullet plus mass of pendulum in bracket times by square root of 2GH divided by mass of bullets. For more details, watch this sample video. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. Sorry for any mistake and sorry for bad English. See you next time.
Raise your